Hey guys, and welcome to Real Work at Home Jobs with Theresa. My name is Theresa, and today I have some more jobs that are hiring currently right now. So when I post these jobs on my Facebook group, make sure you click on that link and you just apply for these positions directly on the websites. So let me go ahead and get started. The first job is a work from home phone interviewers with Maritz CX. They're still recruiting. So let's go ahead and get into it. This position here is you're going to be working from home. It's paid training, state minimum wages to start, regular wages increases, paid time off, and you will get bonuses. In this position, you require the following. You have to be familiar with computer, PC, telephone, clear speaking voice, good grammar, and strong reading skills. Maintain client confidential at all times. Maintain a good workstation that is quiet and free of any background noises. Ability to read and speak English fluent and in a conversation manner. Ability to follow verbal and written instruction. Ability to maintain a friendly, professional rapport with customers over the phone. Adhere to the attendance policy by being on time and work your shifts. And then high tolerance for repetitive tasks. Maintain a team. You must be a team player. Behave in a friendly and professional manner at all times. You must be self-motivated to uphold production and quality standards. That's what this job is mainly for. This virtual position also requires the following, and I'm just going to go over it briefly. This will all be under my YouTube description. You have to have access to a stable and reliable telephone connection, landline or preferred. And like I said before in the videos, a landline is basically free of call waiting, caller ID. It's just a plain line. You have to have access to a secure, private, and safe workspace. Access to a workspace that is quiet and free of background noises and distraction. That's what I said earlier. Access to a noise console headset, active email account, and all technology requirement must be provided by the employee and must be maintained in a good working condition. All costs to meet these requirements include repairs, monthly telephone, and internet charges are the responsibility of the employees and are not reimbursed by Maritz CX. And then the wages for this position, it says we start at your state minimum wage hour. Top performers can increase their hourly rate by $1.25 per hour over the first 12 months. And you can increase it based on individual performance. 30-day perfect attendance is 50 cents increase. Other wages increase opportunities may be given at the time of performance appraisal. First appraisals come at 2 months, 6 months, and yearly after 2 years of employment. And the schedule, you must submit weekly to work around any personal obligation. 20 hours weeks required. 28 hours is the max. Weekends required, no exception. So before you apply for this position, you have to make sure that you're able to work 20 hours and plus, and then you might have to work 28 hours, and then you have to work on weekends, and that's the requirement. For this position here, I'm talking about Maritz CX. You'll receive direct deposit of weekly paychecks each Friday. Monthly incentive programs based on project performance, gift cards, employee referral program gift cards. Flexible weekly schedule that you can create based on project hours, paid time off, paid training, rises at time of performance appraisal. So all of this is with Maritz. And again, all this information would be under my YouTube description, so you'll go ahead and look at that. The next job is through Lionbridge, but it's also called Smart Crowd. They have data entry positions. They have non-phone jobs on this website here. But currently they're hiring online data analysts in the USA to work from home. So I'm just going to go ahead and get with this information. This is an independent contractor. It's part-time, regular up to 20 hours per week. And the requirement for this position is you have to be, you have to speak in English. You must be living in the United States of America for at least 3 years. Working knowledge of local and national geographic areas, passing an online evaluation to demonstrate that you're able to read and apply the guidelines. Experience, know-how of using online maps, search engine, and website research. You must have familiar with current and historical business, media, sports, news, social media, and culture affairs in the United States of America. Access to and use of a broadband internet connection and associated computer and software to perform the work, all provided at your own expense. Okay, the role for this position is you're going to be reading and applying writing guidelines on how to evaluate and rate the task. Please note, if it is possible, you will receive guidelines for multiple task types over the course of the program. You're going to research using online tools to determine the intent and accuracy of the text information. You're going to apply local knowledge in the guidelines to evaluate the relevance and intent of the task informing your marketing. Complete tasks in the web-based evaluation tool. And the hours of the role for this position, you have to work a minimum of 10 hours up to 20 hours per week, depending on task availability. This is a freelance independent contract position. So again, this is with the company Smart Crowd. You may hear Line Bridge. This is a great opportunity. When I did my research on the reviews, this position pay anywhere between $12 and $19 an hour, just by looking and reading the pros and cons of currently employees that are working right now at this company. They're saying that they make anywhere between $12 and $19 an hour. So if you're interested in these positions, make sure you go ahead and apply for these positions immediately. And if you're not interested in this position, make sure you share this to someone that you know that is in need of this job. And before I go any further, if this has been so helpful for you, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell for notifications, so every time I upload a video, you will be the first one to see that. Make sure you comment. And make sure you share this video. And if you can go over to Facebook and join my Facebook group called Real Work From Home Jobs with Theresa. I list these jobs on my like page and also my Facebook page. And then I do tips on how to write a resume for specifically work at home agents. If you're looking to work from home, all that information is on under my page, Real Work From Home Jobs with Theresa. Thank you so much for watching, and guys, I see you on the next video, and you have a wonderful day. So what are you waiting on? Go ahead and apply for that position. Thank you so much, and you have a great day.